some spectators have already got their places. Yeah. It's hard to believe that Elizabeth Taylor spent 60 years as queen. I tell you, it's going to take something extra special to get her off the throne, isn't it?
I don't get it now.
Go. Get up. Get off.